Hello, maintenance and operations teams. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets of organizing your parts storeroom to boost your efficiency by up to 30%. We'll take a deep dive into 5 key steps: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your storeroom into a well-oiled machine. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to sort your parts. This involves assigning a small work team that's familiar with how parts or groups of parts are used. You want to store parts close to where they will be used and organize them in a way that makes everything easy to locate quickly. Next, let's straighten things up. This is sometimes known as set in order. Here, you'll need to clean up and reconfigure the storeroom while considering safety, labeling, and retrieval of parts. Often this means your parts storeroom will take up less overall space. Tactics that work well in this step include color-coded storage locations and the assembly of kits that contain all tools and parts required to complete a frequently performed task. Now let's shine. This step is all about turning the new storeroom system from a novelty into a habit. You want to incorporate maintenance procedures within your new system so that it is regularly inspected, cleaned up, and tidied on an ongoing basis. It's important to have a maintenance technician accountable for each task to make sure the storeroom stays organized. Once your parts storeroom gains a reputation of being a reliable place to obtain needed parts for regular maintenance, it's time to standardize. This is where you can start closely examining how purchasing decisions can be integrated and inventory management metrics can be used to indicate how parts usage can be better tracked. It's important to weigh the costs of parts and storage as well as the downtime incurred if something is not immediately available to optimize inventory decisions. Lastly, we need to sustain. This final step refers to the moment when best practices in storeroom organization and parts management become part of an ingrained culture. Ongoing audits, regular training, and concise record keeping should become second nature to the entire maintenance team. So there you have it. By following these 5 steps, sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain, you can turn your parts storeroom into a well-oiled machine. Remember, a well-organized storeroom not only makes your job easier, but also increases your efficiency significantly. Thank you for watching. We've covered the 5 key steps to organize your parts storeroom: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at upkeep.com. Start your journey towards a more efficient storeroom today.